My name is Katie Tooten, and for the last month, I was subbing in a high school art room and created this contemporary unit with the painting class I had in mind. It will explore contemporary portraiture with themes of self identity, worldviews, and symbolism. So, like I said, this is for a high school painting class with a prereq of Art 1, so mostly upperclassmen. It will take about 9 weeks and include a 3-part portrait series, answering the questions: how do I see myself? How does the world see me? And how do I see the world? The goal is that students will dive deeper into their self identity and understand its impact on their life, worldviews, and artistic voice. We will be determining if symbolism can create a deeper meaning in our art and expression of self identity. Through research of contemporary artists' work, we will determine if symbolism can portray a deeper meaning in self identity and raise awareness for issues in our community. The first lesson is: how do I see myself? Students will be learning about contemporary painter Kehinde Wiley. They will be combining inspiration from his style with the more traditional symbolic theme of the language of flowers. They will be using flowers to symbolize different character attributes to help them answer the question: how do I see myself? The painting will be about 16 by 20 and completed with their choice of either acrylic or tempera paint. Students will be completing a worksheet to help them select their flowers they are going to include in their piece. They will also be participating in a peer share when they have a sketch of their composition completed before they start to paint their project. They will be participating in another peer share on the second to last workday in case they want to make any final adjustments to their piece. And then students will participate in a group share and critique at the very end of the lesson. The second lesson is: how does the world see me? Students will be learning about contemporary painters Clay Kogut, Bisa Butler, and Tim Fowler. They will be using inspiration from their style and use of color to incorporate their own symbolic use of color within their paintings. They will be completing a self portrait combined with color symbolism to answer the question: how does the world see me? The painting again will be about 16 by 20, and the students can use either acrylic or tempera paint. Students will be completing a worksheet to guide them through past memories and trying to make color associations with those memories. Students will be completing a peer share again at the very beginning when they have a sketch of their composition, and another peer share at towards the end of the project in case they want to make any final adjustments. They will also be participating in a group share and critique at the end of the lesson. The third lesson is: how do I see the world? Students will be conducting their own research this time and selecting a contemporary painter or artist style to use as inspiration. They will be also researching and creating their own way to display symbolism within their painting. So they'll be combining their selected artist style as inspiration with their own symbolism to answer the question: how do I see the world? The painting again will be in similar size and using the same materials. Students will be completing a worksheet to guide them through their artist research, completing the same types of peer shares, and a group share and critique at the end of the lesson. Students will be given guidance and feedback throughout the work days. From myself, students will be assessed with a 4-point scale for the worksheets, peer shares, and group critiques, which is based on meeting expectations and participation. Students will also be assessed on their understanding of contemporary portraiture, human form, and symbolism. They will also be assessed on if they composed a balanced composition, they made connections with contemporary artists, and they grew in their self expression. After sharing this plan with the class I was subbing for, they seemed really excited and inspired with my ideas. So, if I were to implement this unit, I would hope that they would find a deeper sense of themselves and discover a new way of creating art. I hope that they give in to the process of self exploration and are respectful with their peers' stories and memories. I hope that they are inspired by contemporary painting styles and can implement what they learned in future art making. These are some of my amazing students that inspired me for this unit. Thank you.